How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at NKLA, NIKOLA Corporation. Pretty good day. This went up a solid 50 cents, 3.5% on the day. Pulling back a bit now, and I am making these videos a bit early because I do plan on making 10 videos today. A little crazy for me, but a lot of people on the Patreon want the video, so we're going to go ahead and make it, because that's what they signed up for. So let's go and break it down here. 10-day low, this is a 10-day 30-minute chart, so each candle is 30 minutes and each bar is 10 days. High up there at 1660, low 1325, a pretty good range actually. You have VWAP right there on our side, right there at 1475, 1476. We are trending in this bit of we are trending in this boiler band bar, which when the lines are closer, something is bound to happen with these boiler bands. Lines are close and it dips. Lines are close or it pops. So when they're close, expect some type of movement to happen. Either capitalize it by shorting it or get it in low and sell it today. Like we alerted you to the Patreon. Patreon Discord right yesterday around under 14, and you could have sold it today at the high for almost 15. So you could have got almost a full dollar. Just in the matter of hours, if you count normal trading hours. And to me, I'll take that any day of the week. Resistance is the high up day right there at 1497. Support, like I said, a VWAP, and also support at 1450, which is always good. They have a nice 50-cent range that you can trade in. Earnings are coming up 8-3, so stay tuned for that. We are, like I just made a video on Workhorse, so after watching this one, go check back at Workhorse. We were talking about an $18 to $20 range that it needs to break out of, and same thing with NIKOLA here. NIKOLA is higher right there at 1940, so 1940 to $20 is a very strong resistance point that it couldn't break over. End of February, of 2021 here. It never seen $20, since then. And with this earnings, it could be a nice turnaround. We are finding some bottom, like I said, around that 1292, which is support from mid-May, which is good. Always good to map out your support and resistance lines. Look at all these videos I made. Look at all these lines that we just made, because it doesn't really move out of this level between 12 and 19. Granted, that is a $7 move. But, we're talking long term. You want to see this 937 turn to 50, turn to 70, turn to 100. And very well, NIKOLA can be a $100 company within the future. We just need really strong volume, and we're really not getting it. 3.5 million shares. No, you need way more volume for this. With it being an electric vehicle stock as well, in a fairly cheap one, $14. Compared to Tesla and, GM, GM's partially, electric right now, but, still, you need more volume for sure. The one thing I do like about NIKOLA, though, is they have, they used to do it every day, but now it's between 1 to 3 days. They're at least having featured an article, but they're also having company-related news. Like on the 15th, they added 51 dealerships in 9 states. That is a solid article, and they should have been printed, keep on going. It looks like no news today, but the past couple days, I guess what I said, I guess it wasn't true, right? They haven't really options activity, and that could pump up the stock. You have an options, and this is not NIKOLA, I'm just saying, for example, when you have an options for beginning of August, for example, and it's like $30, yeah, this could see a nice push to 22. We just need to really get over that $20 level and hold it. There's a difference between breaking it and falling below, so we really need to capitalize on that. I'm pretty much just repeating what I said up in the past NIKOLA videos, just because nothing really major has happened besides the dealerships. That was great news. We're waiting for the earnings play, just like a lot of stocks. There's earnings season coming up here, beginning of August and through the whole month, really. So thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe if you have any questions, comments, opinions, drop it down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Click the link in the description box down below to join the Patreon. $3, $5, or $7 a month. Choose your tier. You can cancel anytime, and I hope to see you guys there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.